All right, we have a potential live trade setting up here. We've been in a trading range pretty much all morning with a failed breakout here. Price is holding above EMA up to the top of resistance, not necessarily holding, but slightly ranging. EMA is trending upwards up to the top of the resistance of this trading range before it trades back down to the bottom of this trading range, and now we're trading back up to this trading range. Short-term trend is working up, strong push above EMA with a new high. First entry long, and depending on what we get here, we could look at taking a second entry long back to find that new high of the short-term trend. We get a nice bearish bar, first entry long, second entry long if it triggers above this bar. Price is fighting to try and push below EMA. Looks like prices may be reversing here if we get a trigger above the signal bar. There's the trigger, putting stop one tick below signal bar. In for a second entry long, slight short-term trend in here before break, reaching a new low. First entry long, second entry long off a nice signal bar. Prices tried pushing below EMA before they reversed and closed strongly above EMA. All right, very quick scalp, putting my stop at break even and letting this runner play out. And as prices continue to push up, again, just kind of going over the trade here. We're in this trading range coming from the highs down to the lows. The break, new low, downtrend has played out. Looking for that strong push above EMA, which we get new high, first entry long, second entry long with prices holding above EMA. Didn't quite get this runner here. Almost there. See if we get lucky enough to get it here. Touched for 6 points here. Awesome, and we're out. So that's the trade. My thought process was for my runner placement was I want it near the highs, not exactly at the high because we could continue to trend lower, but I knew we were going to have this break of the short-term trend up, looking for that new high. I put my runner kind of in between, and that's just preference. That's where I wanted to put it. I'm sure some people would have wanted to put it at the very highs, and then some people would have wanted to put their runner maybe just below this high, so it'd break across and they definitely get it. But that's my trade for today. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on post notifications so you know exactly when I post these videos, bar by bar analysis to come out later today. Thanks for watching.